Have you ever bought a gel plate course or watched countless of YouTube videos only to end up with supplies still untouched? It's really easy to feel really stuck right at step one, especially after a busy day, when creativity seems to be out of reach and instructions are moving way too fast. I know what that's like, working a 9-to-5 job. You go into the office, you're drained by other people's energy, and some days just finding the time or energy after work and caring for others can feel impossible. And maybe setting time aside for your art only to feel too tired to open your supplies when the moment arrives. That right there, my friends, is pure exhaustion, and is something that not only do I live with, but others live with. And so I'm hoping to do something different. I'm hoping to create a live workshop designed to honor and work with you and not a push against you. And let's be real, sometimes videos are helpful. But when you hit a snag or you have a question, don't you wish that somebody was right there helping you along and answering questions? Not just giving you more instructions? That's me. I feel that way. I don't want to be searching for an answer or emailing the person. I want to get the answer right then and there. But what if I create a course that wasn't about perfection, but about simple wins, feeling encouraged and seeing your confidence and creativity grow while we ratchet up your art? Now, let me just be real for a moment. I know what it's like to work a long day. And if you watched any of my videos, the 100-day journey, you know what it's like when I have to go into the office. I got to get up extra early. But coming home from those long days, I just look and stare at the supplies, wondering, do I even have the energy? And am I even doing this right? I've heard from plenty of folks who say videos are helpful, but when I get stuck, I wish someone was right there to help. I know, as I said before, I just want answers, not just more instructions, and pausing and replaying a video. That just drains some of my energy. So I was meeting with one of my one-on-one clients recently, and she shared that despite watching several videos and feeling encouraged, life just kept getting in the way. And even after she picked up all her supplies and set time aside for art, she was just too drained after work. And her gel plate just stayed unopened. But what really broke the pattern for her wasn't more videos, but the idea to having somebody live right there to guide each step and answer the question in real time in the moment. That's why I'm starting something new. I've decided, after that conversation and how I personally was feeling, to create a live workshop. Go back to my roots when I was an art teacher, before my 9-to-5. And I decided I would like to do a live workshop on jelly printing where you can get real answers in real time. And I only have a few spots open. I have the plan all laid out. But since this is the first time for me, and I really am interested in what's going to help you, what are some of the questions and feedback that you have, will really shape how this live workshop goes. And because I don't have a team, boy do I wish I did, I do not have a team behind me. This whole thing is personal and hands-on, and you'll get my full attention in the call. But to help me shape this workshop that's going to be the most helpful for you, I would just only ask that you take 3 minutes and fill out the Google form below, link is in the description, and let me know what's missing for you. What would you like to learn? What would you actually want to ask someone, but you're just watching videos? What would help you get started jelly printing and make you feel more confident with jelly printing? As a thank you, once I receive your responses, I will be glad to send you a free digital pack of jelly prints as a small gift for joining me in helping me build this first live workshop experience. If you ever wanted learning that doesn't just sit and collect dust, trust me, I know I have plenty of those videos and no time to watch them. But you want a live workshop that gets you jelly printing for real, this is your moment. Now, I'll be honest, to prepare for this class, you won't need anything fancy. Just grab your paints, whatever you have on hand, acrylics, crack paints, whatever is sitting at your desk or in your drawer. That's the kind of paint we're going to use. You'll need a brayer. You'll need some copy paper, or better yet, your kids are back in school. You got homework papers, you could just jelly print right over those. Some of those are my best prints. And any size gel plate you've got. Even the 5x7. If you don't have one, get the 5x7. You don't need the big plate right now. There's no need to stress about the right supplies. But if you want to know what supplies, I put a link below in the description for easy reference on what to use and what's convenient and available to you. There is no pressure to make a masterpiece. The process is all about celebrating, taking that first step, focusing on you and time for your art, even when you're tired. This is going to be easy. Your input lets me create a class that's actually worth your time. No having to go watch it on replay. I mean, that will be available, but no, you don't have to do that. We're going to do it in real time. There's no hype. There's only real answers and real art confidence building. I really can't wait to see your questions and ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not already subscribed, please consider doing so. It would really make my day. Thank you for watching Ratchet Up Your Art.